Hi, I'm Jake Birkett from Grey Alien Games, and I'm currently porting the rather excellent Titan Attacks to mobile. I'm using a cross-platform language called Monkey, which is really versatile and fun to use. And today in this video blog, I'm just going to talk about what I've been doing recently with the animation system and such. So, without further ado, on to the game.
Okay, first I'm going to give you a quick tour of the game as it stands. So it's actually running in iPhone 4 resolution at the moment, but it detects whether it's iPhone 3GS or iPhone 4, iPhone 5 or iPad or Retina display and alters the GUI accordingly, but you can't really see that in action because I'm running on my PC at the moment. Anyway, I'll just play the game here. At the moment it's just a very simple kind of test setup, so I can destroy these aliens. On the iPhone you would slide your finger along the bottom here, and when you tap it fires, and you can tap rapidly to fire faster. There's also another mode. Let's have a look at the options here. Now this is like a two-finger mode, so you use one finger here to slide the craft around and another one to fire. This works particularly well on iPad because you don't really want to be sliding your finger all the way along the bottom. On the iPad it would be too big, but that's an optional mode. Let's quit out of this. You can see I've got GUI and stuff in place, and it's all kind of nice and smooth. Screen swapping, all this kind of stuff. But what I'm going to do is shut this down now and boot it up into debug mode and show the animation system. Okay, so here we are again in debug mode. So Cass, the original developer of the PC Mac version, he came up with a rather complicated animation system that's all based on XML. And what happens is the game reads in this XML that does not just kind of basic animations or ping pong or loops or whatever. It can do like branches and loops and random things and all kind of crazy stuff in the XML. So I've actually spent quite a long time interpreting these files, reading them in, and then making them work within my own framework in the Monkey language. So I've made a test screen, which if I go to here, I can look at the actual individual animations. So this is a boss for the Earth, this is its eye, and we've got various different kind of animations I can look at and check that they're running according to the way the file's set up. Alright, so like that's the light for this guy, right? Now some of them look like obvious repeating things, but there's actually kind of quite a lot of weird stuff going on in the background. One example, let me find it here. There's a parachute guy, so that one's doing a lot of stuff like rotating it via the animation script rather than in code. So, and I had to kind of make all that happen. So once I did that, I then had to interpret these other XML files which put all of those animations together into a large sprite, which is a combination of multiple animations. So I'm going to change this test screen over to sprite mode now. And these are sort of individual turrets, but then you can see, there they go, they're all on the boss there and the eye, so it's all kind of put together in one. So that's a combination of multiple sprites coming together into a single game object. So all of these now you can see they've actually got the glowing parts with the base aliens like this. Alright, so now that's done, in theory all of the aliens will work for all the other planets. These are just the Earth aliens, but I need to sort of test the other planets, and that's coming up soon. So what's next for Titan Attacks? Well, I need to actually kind of make those aliens move around and do stuff and read in the level formats, and also make the enemy fire at you and stuff like this. Also your own tank here at the beginning, it should animate as it moves along, and there's all kind of particle effects on the firing as well. So there's still tons and tons of stuff to do, but I'm just kind of generally making progress through reading in the XML files and interpreting them and running them in my own code. So stay tuned for the next video blog coming soon-ish. Thank you for watching. Bye.